Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race S, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until you see the settings menu. Now find the general option, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called reset or reset settings, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And here you can press the upper button to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that if you reset your watch, all of your data and settings will be removed from your watch. So be careful if you don't want to lose your data. Okay, let's press the upper button to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and after the watch turns off, because once the resetting process is done, it will turn off, you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the middle button. Now it should turn on. Let's try again. Interesting. So let's try maybe upper button. No. Oh. So either the middle button or upper button worked. One of those. And the watch will turn on, and after it's done booting up, you should see the basically option to select the language. Yeah. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.